how to fix the connection error message in Roblox. So first, click on the Start menu. From here, you need to type Run and click on this. And in the Run box, type in the %, local app, data %, and then hit Enter. Then in this list of folders, you need to come all the way down until you see Roblox. Now double-click on the Roblox folder, and then you should have this folder called Logs. Double-click on that as well. Now what you need to do is select all of the files and folders inside of here. You can just press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything, and then you're going to right-click and delete it. Now don't worry about deleting these files as they're only temporary files, and the next thing you want to do is try launching back up Roblox and seeing if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't work, what you'll need to do instead is come over to your Start menu and search for Control Panel and then click on it. Now from the top, you want to make sure View is set to Icons, and then we're going to click on Network and Sharing Center from the left-hand side, select Change Adapter Settings, and then you just need to locate the network that you're currently connected to. So mine's this Wi-Fi one over here, and we're going to right-click on this and select Properties. Then you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 from the list and click on Properties Change at the bottom where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically, and click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Then in here, type 8888 and 8844, and then you can press OK and close out of this window. And once you've done that, you need to head back over to the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. So in this window here, you need to type in ipconfig space slflushdns and hit Enter, and then finally type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit Enter. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer, and then you can try launching back up the Roblox, and that should have now solved any connection issues. If you're still getting an error message, it could be the fact that you're connecting from a VPN, so you just want to make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs. One way to do this on Windows is coming over to the Start menu, searching for Settings, and then clicking on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Network and Internet, click on VPN, and just make sure you're disconnected from any connections you can see down here. It says for me, not connected and not connected, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.